please? Please, can you give us
Name the Father.
Welcome everybody to the Kinder Assembly. It's a very exciting one because it is kindergarten's first time at presenting at the Assembly, and we're all very nervous and excited. We asked kindergarten to just sit and look clever whilst people walked in and not to wave, but now we're going to quickly wave to everyone and say hello. Okay. And now we're going to start. It's going to be sensible. Our mathematicians in kindergarten. Standing up, our maths people. In kindergarten, we have been doing lots of maths warm-ups. We're learning how to compute quickly in our brain or on a piece of paper. This is an example of our domino number busting, where we use a domino and we add both sides together as quickly as possible. We're starting to subdivide and to count on instead of always starting at one. Give our mathematicians a clap. Our goal setters, you can stand up. Here we have our goal setters. Hold it in front of you, please. Our goal setting in kindergarten started very early, in about week 2. We've decided in kinder you're never too young to set goals. You're never too young to set goals. And each child in kindergarten has set their own goals. A lot have decided one of their goals is to make new friends, or to count beyond a certain number that they can already count to, or to be able to read and write more. If you come into kindergarten, you'll be able to read the personal goals of each child. So you're welcome to come in from tomorrow. We'll have them on display for you. You'll be able to see your child's goal. Thank you. Our goal setters, can you please sit down? And our writers standing up. In kindergarten, we've been spending a lot of time learning to write our letters correctly, learning to write new words, and we've been working on our pencil grip. Let's show everybody kindergarten. 1, 2, 3, and pinch. And you can test us out on our pencil grip if you see us at home or in the classroom. Here we have our beautiful letter B's that we started today. And at the top is some of our fine motor work. Thank you to our hand writers. And now it's time for a little song. As we're part of the Kinder family, this is a little song we've learnt together. We've had a few technical difficulties, so I may need to sing at some point, but I hope not, for everybody's sake.
In God's circle of love, we hold on to each other. I can see God's love through you. In God's circle of other. Each of us is special in God's circle of love. Oh yes, did you know that you are very special? You're so special to us all. Oh, come if you will to our circle of love. Each of us is special in God's circle of love. In God's circle of love, we hold on to each other. I can see God's love through you. In God's circle of love, we learn